It's that time.
All right. I'm excited.
Why don't you come in? All right, guys. Down to business. This is the Siser Romeo. We literally got it in the day we found out that everything had to be flip-flopped. So it's been patiently waiting for us. And now that we've got this room somewhat to a point where we can put it up, and I have some place to put it. Also, since I did the video with you, figured of choosing it, it was time to open it. So this is how it was delivered. Let's put it over on this side. And there it is. I will say, unlike Amazon, the box fit the item. So, let's see. Material holder inside. Just want to take a look and see what all it said. So let's get this. Cut. Sorry, the talking and cutting doesn't work. You know me. Let the adventure commence is what's on the inside lid. All right. Welcome to your future of making. Interesting. So let's take a look and see what this is first. Power cord, accessories, power supply, and documentation. All right, so that was easy. All right, I went ahead and got rid of the cardboard accordion, and this is an accessories that came with it. This is so that the Romeo is set up for long rolls of vinyl cutting. So this sits back and your roll can sit here for it to feed in, and it's held. So that came with this set. And then I also have my cutting, I say cutting, it's not cutting. This is the tack cutting mat. Not me to cut, this to cut. All right, you want to give me a hand lifting him out? You may have to grab the... We're being extra gentle because I don't know how the, when we received it, how it shipped. So, and I want to make sure that everything is getting its time to settle, because when they delivered it, it was upside down. All right, so this is the Romeo. This is why, the size of this is why I chose this, which I discussed in the video about choosing. Now, reasonings. I'm not going to go into the whole situation of the Leonardo software. I honestly have not had time with everything to even look at it. I wanted to dedicate the weekend, and unfortunately that was the weekend that Ashley moved in. So it's going to have to be hit or miss during the evenings getting this done and me figuring that out. So I am determined to do that within time. But you can see with the length of it, yes, it has a digital screen to make it easier for you to set up the cutting board with the stickers in there per specifications. But the biggest thing is I wanted to be able to put a sheet down in here that will allow me to print at least four of my sticker sheets. instead of just 2. Now, you maybe be like, is it worth the extra 4? I'm going to find out. But it definitely, considering the cost of the silhouettes and the crickets, they're not giving me exactly what I'm looking for, and this one does. Not to mention, I really don't want to hear scratching, board, cutting, and this thing is quiet. Big one. So there's the silhouette, the Romeo. And as soon as I am ready to start printing up because we have an idea of the sticker paper that we want to use. When we go into creating the sample stickers, I will bring you back with me and we will go over a little bit of the Leonardo. I can't do a full one. I will do that one later, but I will bring you along as I am futzing in there so that I can get this printed out, that we can hear what it's going to be like having it cut, and then show you the results. So stick around. I appreciate it. There's a lot to go in a sticker business, and I appreciate you joining me in these little videos. Take care.